Guys, I made this RC DIY gripper. I'm just gonna try and grip this object with my new machine. Okay, just wait on a second. I'll try and pick it up with the gripper. Wow, look at that. That's a perfect grip. That's my perfect machine over there. Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be building an RC gripper. So yeah, let's just begin. Okay, so this is gonna be the base of our machine. So we're gonna be using some servos here. Actually, we used 3 of them. Okay, and here's the receiver of our machine, the X6B receiver module. And don't forget the transmitter. It is the FLYSKY FS 6. And I'm gonna be using this 3.7 volt battery over here. Guys, so I'm just gonna put the servo over here. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this battery right on over here. The third pin is the signal pin. It's used to give commands to the motors and servos. We're gonna use it later when we'll use an ESC. Yep, the arm part is moving perfectly. I'm just gonna put a gripper on it, and yeah, then the upper segment will be done. Then we'll work on the going forwards and backwards and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I got this much done right now. I put all the electronics in there, X6B, and the servo wiring is in there. Then the battery is at the bottom right here. Here's a connector. I'm just gonna connect it when I need it. And here you can see there's a servo motor attached here, and I attached a mini arm with it, and put some hot glue on it so it gets more grip. So guys, I got this much done right now. I have attached the gripper with the arm and attached this servo right over here. But now I'm thinking I'll remove it because it doesn't actually have a real purpose. It's just there, like not working at all, so I'll just remove it now. Guys, I got these 2 yellow gear motors over here. I'm just gonna attach these under the robot so it can move, and I'm gonna use this RC for that. Yeah, I know I should have used a brushed ESC, but yeah, I have it in the room, but I just don't know where I put it, so don't say I'm dumb, I can still hear you. And here's how a brushed ESC looks, just in case you have never seen it before. So guys, I have attached this free wheel over here and tried making the gripper look cool, but we all know how it went. Okay, so I for this technique I drew on some paper and put some plastic sheet on it. So guys, I kind of burned the old 3.7 volt LiPo battery and found the cell pocket and attached this battery connector with it. Now you can say I'm dumb, cause I feel like. Guys, I'm just gonna test how it works by trying to grab this little battery over here. Yeah. Just look at that. Look at that perfect grip. It's not letting it go. Now I'm just gonna drop it on my hand now. Yep, that was perfect. Just look at that. I love this gripper. Okay guys, so I'll call this guy Patrick for obvious reasons.
Alright, Pinhead, your time is up.
Who you calling Pinhead?
Guys, if you like my content, please like the video and subscribe my channel.